Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to implement a Fanout messaging scenario using Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, and Amazon Simple Queue Service, SQS. In this scenario, messages are pushed to multiple subscribers, which eliminates the need to periodically check or pull for updates and enable parallel asynchronous processing of message by the subscribers. So in this video, we are going to create an Amazon SNS topic, and we're going to assume we have a cloud native application that sends an Amazon SNS message to a topic whenever an order is placed on an online store. So we are going to take a fictional application of an e-commerce store. The Amazon SQS that are subscribed to that topic will receive each identical notification for new orders. And in these steps, we're going to create an Amazon SNS topic. A topic is a communication channel to send a message and subscribe to a notification. So in this example, we're going to have a sample e-commerce application that will push a message to an SNS topic whenever an order is placed online. And then we're going to create an SQL service that is going to receive the message. If this is something you would like to see more of it in the future, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and like this video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we are now on my AWS console. So we are going to type into the search console, SNS, and it's going to bring the simple notification service, and we are going to double click on it. So we are now on the SNS dashboard, and you can see I have one topic in this place and I have two subscriptions. But in your own case, since your account is new, you are going to have 0 topic and 0 subscriptions. So to actually create your SNS topic, we are going to go through topics in this place. And you can see I have a default CloudWatch alarm topic in this place. So this is for my billing. So if I actually exceed a certain amount on AWS, I'm going to get a notification in my email that I've exceeded certain amount I actually created on on AWS. So if you want to know how to create a budget on AWS, and when the budget has been exceeded, you are going to get an alarm or a notification for it, you can actually leave in the comment section. I will actually do that. So for this video, I'm going to create a topic. So I'll go to the right hand side and click on create topics. I'll click on it. And don't forget that we are creating an SNS topic for a fictional e-commerce website. So for this, I'm going to take the standard, which is this one. I'll put in the name. So I will scroll down. I'll give the name as New York. I'll just copy this paste it in here. And I'll leave everything as default like this. I'm not going to touch it. Now I'll click on create topic. So since we are sure that our topic has been created, so the next one I'm going to do is go to the console and create the SQS service that is going to subscribe to this topic. So inside the search console, I will type in SQS. So I will double click on the simple queue services. Now we are now on the SQS dashboard, and we are going to create an Amazon SQS queue that will subscribe to the topics. So I'm going to click on create queue, and I will leave it as standard. And when you subscribe multiple queues to the topic, each queue is going to receive identical notification every time a message is published to the topic. And for the name here, I'm going to put in of NG. I will scroll down. I will leave everything like this. I'm going to leave it as default. The visibility time is going to leave it 30. The message retention will be 4 days. If you want to have a longer retention message and actually increase it, and you see it should be between 1 minute and 14 days. And the maximum message size should be between 1 kilobyte and 256. So it means that the payload should be around this particular message size. And for the encryption, I'm going to disable encryption. And if you want to enable encryption, you can actually do that as well. And I will leave it to the basic choose method. I'm going to leave it to basic, and it will be defined by only the queue owner. And I will scroll down, and I'm going to leave it as disabled as well. dead letter queues. I'm going to leave it as disabled, and I will leave that I'm going to create a first queue. So it means that this first queue we actually created for our fictional e-commerce website will be the one that is going to fulfill our order. It means that when the order comes in, this order of entry is going to get it, and it's going to send it to the system that is going to fulfill the order. And so the second way I'm going to create will be for analytics. So in case of want to do some analytics on our order, probably want to know where our order is coming from, and we need some other information, we can actually create a queue for that one, and it's going to send the orders to the queue that is going to analyze the order. So we're going to create the second queue like that. So let's go back to the queue, and I will click on create queue again, and I will leave it to standard, and I'm going to give it order for analytics, order for analytics. So I'm going to leave the configuration like the first one, and I'm going to disable server-side encryption. I will leave it as the first one. I'm going to scroll down. I will leave the dead letter queues as disabled as well. And I'm going to create the queue. So we've created both queues now. Since we are sure that our queues are now created, we're going to go back to our SNS topic and subscribe the queue to the SNS topic. So I will click on the first order for analytics. I will click on actions, and I will configure, and I will click on subscribe to Amazon SNS topic. So I'll click on it. So in this way, this is where I'm going to choose my topic, and I will click on the drop down. It's going to load the SNS topic I created. So it's going to show for the new order. So I'll click on it, and I'll click on save. You can see it shows subscribe successfully to the topic. And I'll do that for the second queue as well. I'll go to the order of inventory, and I'll click on actions, and I'll click on subscribe to Amazon SNS topic. So I'll click on the drop down, and it's going to load the SNS topic, and I'll click on the new order topic I created. So I'll click on save. Since we've created the queues and subscribe to the topic, so let's go back to the SNS topic and publish a message. So I will type into the Search console again. We'll type in SNS. I'll click on it. Since we are back on the SNS dashboard, I'll click on topic again. And for our new order SNS topic, so what am I going to do now is that since we are sure that our queues have been subscribed to the topic, we're going to simulate a new order by having the fictional e-commerce application publish a message to the topic with the order details. So I'm going to click on publish message. So for the subject name, I'm just going to give it a random number. Probably, let's give it an order ID. For the time to leave, I'm going to leave it as it says it is option. I'm going to leave it. And for the payload, I'm going to type in the payload. So in this case, I'm just going to give a raw message, which will be, let me just give it a sample order like one of, let's say one of all point, and so this is old slippers. So let's leave it like that, and I'm going to click on publish message. You can see the message published to the topic new order successfully. You can see we already have this. So, and this, you can see we have the SQS that are subscribed to it, which is this one for the order analytics and for the new order itself. So for the processing of the order. So if you are sure that that one is done, we are going to go back to the SQS again. So I'm going to open it in another dashboard. So I will click on the simple queue service again. So since we are sure that the messages has been published, and in this Fanout scenario, Amazon SQS at the endpoint, so we are going to confirm that the messages are already in the SQS. So I will click on the first order for analytics to verify the message. And you can see I'm going to click on send and receive messages. And we are going to pull for message. So this is the pull setting, which is 30 seconds, and the maximum message count is 10. So I'm going to save it like that. So if you want to increase it, you can actually do that. But I'm going to click on pull for message. And you can see it already shows the message, which is this one. I can click on it. And you can see this is the message body. You can see the message shows this is the JSON payload of it. You can see it shows what I added to it, which is so you can see the order. I said that is the order ID, and it shows 1 piece of ballpoint and 2 pieces of slippers. So this is the message in the SQS topic. And so since we are sure that it is already there, we can click on done. And when we are sure that the messages has been fulfilled, like go back to the QA, and we are going to check for the order of event as well. I'm going to click on send and receive messages. And I'm going to click on pull message again. You can see this is the other one and it's already there. So whenever another message is coming, automatically I get to find it in the messages option in this place. So I'll click on it to actually confirm the payload as well. You can see the body, this is it. You can see this is the subject and this is the message, 1x of ballpoint and 2 pieces of slippers. So that is how you actually create an SQS service to actually subscribe to an SNS topic. So when we are sure that the order has been processed, we can just click on it and we can click on delete. It's going to show this message and we're going to click on delete. And it's going to delete the message. And whenever we come back to this, if we already have some messages that has been pulled, then we're going to find this in this option. So this is the end of the tutorial. And if you find it interesting, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos like this on my channel. Thank you very much and have a good time. Bye.